Liene PixCut S1 results, from phone photo to waterproof sticker in exactly 2 minutes.
Last weekend, I spent 4 hours trying to make 30 simple thank you stickers for my shop orders. I printed on sticky paper, waited for the ink to dry, then wrestled with my cutting machine that kept misreading the registration marks and ruined half the shade. By the end, I was surrounded by crooked, bleeding stickers and genuinely questioning my life choices. Meanwhile, my coffee went cold and my dog judged me from the couch. If you've ever stood over a craft table covered in failed attempts while the clock ticks and your patience disappears, you know exactly how soul-crushing that feels. You start with excitement. Today I'm finally making those cute labels. And 3 hours later, you're on the verge of tears because nothing lines up. The colors look washed out or your cutter just murdered your design. Every ruined sheet is money wasted, time stolen, and another hit to your confidence. You begin doubting whether your little business or hobby is even worth it when something as simple as stickers turns into an all-day battle. The worst part? You know the vision in your head is perfect, but your tools keep betraying you, and the gap between imagination and reality feels impossible to close. Then I discovered the Liene PixCut S1, an all-in-one printer and cutter that literally does everything in one pass. You design on your phone, hit print, and 2 minutes later it spits out perfectly cut, waterproof, vibrant stickers with zero alignment drama. No separate machines, no registration marks, no wasted sheets. It uses thermal dye sub for true photographic color and laminates each sticker as it prints, so they're instantly scratch-proof and ready to stick anywhere. It's like someone finally built the machine every crafter has been dreaming about. With the Liene PixCut S1, I now make 100 perfect stickers while eating breakfast. The AI auto-tracing cuts around even the most detailed designs flawlessly. No more crooked edges or wasted borders. Colors are insanely vivid. Think photo lab quality. And because they're laminated on the spot, I can stick them on water bottles, laptops, car windows, anywhere, and they survive dishwashers and toddler attacks. Small business owners are using it for packaging that looks boutique without the boutique hassle. Parents turn their kids' artwork into real stickers in minutes. Planners go from basic to custom aesthetic in one coffee break. My Etsy customers now get thicker, glossier stickers than ever before and keep coming back because they finally look professional. The whole process went from all-day project with tears to 2-minute dopamine hit. If you're tired of fighting your tools instead of enjoying your creativity, the Liene PixCut S1 is the answer you didn't know existed. Thousands of crafters, small shop owners, and parents have already made it their secret weapon for perfect stickers every single time. I put my exact machine link in the description. Click it now, watch your first sticker come out perfect in 2 minutes, and wonder why you ever suffered before. Don't just watch, jump in and start making the stickers you've always wanted today. Your next obsession is waiting.